x square by 36 इक्वल टू 1। x स्क्वायर के नीचे a स्क्वायर है, ये a स्क्वायर है। Here मेजर एक्सिस is along x axis. Compare first with x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. A square comes out to be 36, b square comes out to be 16, a equal to 6, b equal to 4. Using b square equal to a square, 1 minus e square. 16, that is your 36, 1 minus e square. 16 by 36, 1 minus e square, or e square equal to 1 minus 16 by 36. 4 4s are 4 9s are 5. 9 minus 4, 5 by 9. So e will take only positive sign for root 5. वर्टिसेस होते हैं हमारे पास प्लस माइनस a कॉमा 0. a की वैल्यू गिवन दी हुई है 6 6 कॉमा 0. फोकाई प्लस माइनस a कॉमा 0, दैट इज इक्वल टू प्लस माइनस a की वैल्यू 6, e की वैल्यू रूट 5 by 3 इंटू 0, 3 2s are तो 2 रूट 5 कॉमा 0. लेंथ ऑफ मेजर एक्सिस that is equal to 2a, 2 into 6, that is 12 units. Length of minor axis, that is your 2b, 2 into 4, that is equal to 8 units. Eccentricity E, that is equal to root 5 by 3. Length of latus rectum, that was our 2b square by 8. 2b square की वैल्यू थी हमारी 16, a was our 6, 2 3 या 16 by 3 units. ये हमारा आंसर है, ठीक है। x square by 4, y square by 25 equal to major axis is along y axis, is along y axis. To compare first with x square by b square plus y square upon a square equal to 1. A square equal to 25, b square equal to 4, a comes out to be 5, b we take it to. Using formula b square equal to a square 1 minus e square. b square 4 equal to 25, 1 minus e square, 4 by 25, 1 minus e square equal to 1 minus 4 by 25. 25 minus 4, 21 by 25, so e value root 21 by 5. ठीक, less than 1. ओके, चलो स्टार्ट करते हैं। पहले क्या था हमारे पास, वर्टिसेस, सेंट्रिक वर्टिसेस पूछा। वर्टिसेस होगा 0 प्लस माइनस a, 0 प्लस माइनस a वाज अवर 5, फोकाई 0 प्लस माइनस a, 0 प्लस a वाज अवर 5 and e वाज अवर root 21 by 5. 0 plus minus root 21. Length of major axis, that is 2a, 2 times 5, that is 10 units. Length of minor axis, that is equal to 2b, 2 into 2, that is 4 units. Length of latus rectum, that is 2b square by a, b square was our 4, a was our 5, 8 by 5 units. Okay, and eccentricity E equal to root 21 by 5. और भी कुछ number 7, 36x square 4y square equal to 140. Divide each by 144. 36x square upon 144. 4y square upon 36 equal to 1. This is x square by 4, 140. Y square by 36. This value is bigger than this. So here major axis is along y axis. Therefore compare first with x square by b square plus y square by a square equal to 1. A square comes out with 36, b square comes out with 4, a equal to 6, b equal to 2. Using formula b square equal to a square 1 minus e square, that is 4 equal to 36, 1 minus e square, 4 by 36, 1 minus e square give 9 से cancel, 1 minus e square equal to 1 by 9. 1 minus 1 by 9 equal to e square. So e square comes out to be 8 by 9. So e equal to 2 root 2 by 3. Eccentricity. पहले eccentricity लिख लेते हैं. e equal to 2 root 2 by 3. पहले चेक करो ठीक किया है कि नहीं. 1 minus 8 by 9 ठीक है. चलो गुड है. What is this? 0 comma plus minus a, that is equal to 0 comma plus minus 6. Foci 0 comma plus minus a, 0 comma plus minus a की वैल्यू हमारे पास थी 6 और e की वैल्यू थी 2 root 2 by 3. 3 2 जा 6, 4 root 2, 4 root 2. Length of major axis, that is equal to 2a, 2 into 6, that is 12 units. Length of minor axis, that is equal to 2b, 2 into 2, that is 4 units. Length of lattice rectum, that is equal to 2b square by a. b square की वैल्यू थी हमारे पास कितनी थी भाई 4. a की वैल्यू 6, 2 3 is 4 by 3 units. This is plus minus 50 foci plus minus. Foci किस पे लाई कर रहे हैं? x axis के. Here foci lies on x axis. Therefore major axis is along x axis. So let the required ellipse be x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. तो वर्टिसेस के कोऑर्डिनेट क्या होते हैं इसके? प्लस माइनस a, 0 पर इसकी वैल्यू तो गिवन दी हुई है ऑलरेडी, प्लस माइनस 5, 0. कंपेयर करेंगे तो a इक्वल टू 5. फोकाई के कोऑर्डिनेट्स प्लस माइनस a, 0 which is already given, plus minus 4, 0, it means a equal to 4. b चाहिए using b square equal to a square 1 minus e square. इसको ओपन कर लेते हैं. a square minus a square e square. a square की वैल्यू 5 का स्क्वायर, इसकी 4 का स्क्वायर, 25 minus 16 that is equal to 9. तो b स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 9. ये b स्क्वायर की वैल्यू और ये a स्क्वायर की वैल्यू यहाँ से निकाल लो. पुट द above values a square and b square in first. So required ellipse is x square by 25 plus y square by 9 equal to 1. Here foci lie on y axis, therefore major axis is along y axis. Let the required ellipse be x square upon b square plus y square upon a square equal to 1. Just the vertices 0 comma plus minus a, which is equal to 0 comma plus minus 13. इक्वेटिंग करेंगे तो a की वैल्यू 13 और a स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 169. फोकाई 0 comma plus minus a, 0 comma plus minus a की वैल्यू काई दिया था 5, तो a comes out to be 5. Using formula b square equal to a square, 1 minus a square और b square equal to a square e square. 13 का स्क्वायर minus 5 का स्क्वायर 169 minus 25 144. तो b square equal to 144. Using the above values of a square and b square in first. Therefore required ellipse is x square by b square plus y square upon a square equal to 1. So major axis plus minus 3 comma 0 दिया हुआ है, ends of minor axis 0 plus minus 2. Here major axis x axis के ऊपर है ना, x कोऑर्डिनेट है. मेजर एक्सिस लाइज ऑन x axis, minor axis lies on y axis. Let the required ellipse be x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. Ends of major axis plus minus a comma 0, which is equal to plus minus 3 comma 0, a equal to 3 or you can say a square equal to 9. Ends of minor axis 0 comma plus minus b, that is equal to 0 plus minus, that is given 2, b equal to 2, b square equal to 4. Using the above values of a square and b square in first, therefore required ellipse is x square by 9 y square by 4 equal to 1. मेजर एक्सिस के एंड पॉइंट जो दिए हुए हैं और माइनर एक्सिस के एंड पॉइंट दिए. मेजर एक्सिस के एंड पॉइंट कोऑर्डिनेट है y एक्सिस के ऊपर, so we can say here major axis lies on y axis. Is a major axis lies on y axis. Let the required ellipse be x square by b square plus y square by a square equal to 1. Mark it. Ends of major axis equal to 0 comma plus minus a. Its value is given 0 comma plus minus 5. A comes out to be 5. A square equal to 25. Ends of minor axis, that is equal to plus minus b comma 0, that is equal to, given the plus minus 1 comma 0. So b equal to 1, so b square equal to 1. Using the value of a square and b square. In first, so x square by 1 plus y square by 25 equal to 1. Or you can multiply by 25, that also you can write the answer 25x square. Either way. Given length of major axis given है, फोकाई given दिया हुआ है, प्लस माइनस 5,0. ये फोकाई कहाँ लाई कर रहा है अभी? x एक्सिस के ऊपर, since फोकाई lies on x axis, therefore major axis of ellipse is along x axis. Let the required ellipse be x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. Length of major axis that is equal to 2a. यहाँ ब्रैकेट में लिख लेना a square is greater than b square. According to question, इसकी वैल्यू गिवन दी हुई है 2a equal to 26. It means a comes out to be 30. फोकाई के कोऑर्डिनेट होते हैं प्लस माइनस a, 0. तो इसके अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन दिए हुए हैं प्लस माइनस 5, तो a की वैल्यू आ गई 5. यूजिंग b स्क्वायर इक्वल टू a स्क्वायर 1 माइनस e स्क्वायर, ब्रैकेट ओपन करेंगे a स्क्वायर माइनस a स्क्वायर e स्क्वायर. तो b स्क्वायर की वैल्यू a स्क्वायर में 13 का स्क्वायर माइनस 5 का स्क्वायर 169 माइनस 25 दैट इज 144. तो b स्क्वायर कम्स आउट टू 144. तो यहाँ से a स्क्वायर की वैल्यू लिख लो 169. यूजिंग द above values of a square and b square in first, therefore required ellipse is x square by 169 plus y square by 144 equal to 1. Length of minor axis that is equal to 16. Foci 0, plus minus 6. Same wording, since foci lies on y-axis, therefore major axis of ellipse is along y-axis. ठीक है. Let the required ellipse be x square by b square plus y square by a square equal to 1, where a square is greater than b square. Length of minor axis that is equal to 2b. According to question, इसकी वैल्यू गिवन दी हुई that is 16. Then b comes out to be 8. Foci 0, plus minus a. इसकी वैल्यू अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन गिवन दी है 0, plus minus 6. तो a की वैल्यू आ गई 6. Using b square equal to a square 1 minus e square. Let us open the bracket a square e square. a square की वैल्यू यहाँ से क्या आएगी? b square plus a square e square. b square की वैल्यू 8 का स्क्वायर, इसकी वैल्यू 6 का स्क्वायर. 64 plus 36, तो a square equal to 100. तो यहाँ से b square equal to 64. Therefore, using above values of a square and b square in first required ellipses x square by 64 plus y square by 100 equal to 1. इन फोकाई गिवन दिया और ये दिया, फोकाई किस पे लाई कर एक्स एक्सिस के ऊपर, तो सिंस फोकाई lies on x axis, therefore major axis is along x axis. So let the required ellipse be x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. Foci के coordinates plus minus a comma 0 according to question, that is plus minus 3 comma 0, the a की value comes out to be 3. Okay, using b square equal to a square 1 minus e square, so b square equal to a square minus a square e square, b square equal to a की वैल्यू 4 दी हुई है तो ये हो गया 4 का स्क्वायर, a की वैल्यू 3 है तो 3 का स्क्वायर, 16 minus 9 that is equal to 7, तो b square equal to 7. a already given दिया हुआ था हमारे पास 4, तो a square equal to 16, therefore required ellipse is x square by even 16 डाल दो और b square की वैल्यू 7 डाल दो, x square by 16 y square by 7 equal to 1 आंसर. की वैल्यू गिवन दी है, c की दी हुई है, सेंटर ओरिजिन पे है, फोकाई था AE, c equal to let the required ellipse be x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. According to questions, c given दिया हुआ है 4, it means AE की वैल्यू होगी 4, b already given दिया 3, using b square equal to a square 1 minus e square or b square equal to a square minus a square e square, or you can write c also here. So c square a square will be equal to b square plus c square, or you can write a square e square. b की वैल्यू गिवन दी थी 3 का स्क्वायर, c की वैल्यू थी 4 का स्क्वायर, 9 plus 16 25, so a square equal to 25, b square become 3 का स्क्वायर 9, therefore required ellipse is x square by 25 plus y square by 9 equal to 1. सेंटर 0 0 पे है, मेजर एक्सिस और y एक्सिस है, एंड द ellipse passes through these 2 points, we can mark A and B. As major axis on y axis, therefore the ellipse may be x square by b square plus y square by a square equal to 1. A square greater than b square. First passes through the point A. First passes through point A 3, 2. तो x की 3 सब्स्टिट्यूट कर दो in place of y2, 3 का स्क्वायर 9 by b square 4 by a square equal to 1. This is second. First also passes through point B 1, 6. These two coordinates will satisfy again this. 1 का स्क्वायर 1 by b square, y means 6, 6 का स्क्वायर 36 by a square equal to 1. From here find the value of 1 by b square, that is 1 minus 36 by a square. Using third in first, second. Using third in second. 9 by b square था, कहाँ से निकालिए? Okay. 9 by b square means that is your 1 minus 36 by a square plus 4 by a square equal to 1. ओपन कर ले ब्रैकेट पे, 9 minus 9 into 36 by a square plus 4 by a square equal to 1. So 9 minus 1, that becomes 9 into 36 by a square minus 4 by a square. 8 common, that is equal to 9 into 36 divided by a square minus 4 by a square. 4 common are है, divide each by 4. Divide each by 4, that is 2. 4 9s are 36, 9 9s are 81 by a square minus 1 by a square. 2 equal to 80 by a square. 240. So a square will be equal to 40. Okay, that is marked fourth. Using fourth in third, 1 by b square equal to 1 में 36 by 40. 40 LCM, 40 minus 36, 4 by 40, 1 by 10. So 1 by b square equal to 1 by 10, so b square equal to 10. A square equal to 40, b square equal to 10. Put these values in first. X square by 10 plus y square by 40 equal to 1. That is the 20th. Major axis on x axis passes through the point A and B. Major axis on the x axis means then the required ellipse may be x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. A square is greater than b square. First passes through point A, 4 3, so x equal to 4, y equal to 3, 16 by a square, 9 by b square equal to 1. From here we have to find the value of a square. So 1 by a square equal to 1 by 16, 1 minus 9 by b square, that is second. First also passes through point B. The coordinate near 6, 2. Therefore, x equal to 6, y equal to here. So 6 का square 36 by a square plus 4 by b square equal to 1 using second. 36, 1 by a square equal to 1 by 16. 1 minus 9 by b square plus 4 by b square, that is equal to 1. 4 9s are 4 4s are 9 by 4. 1 minus 9 by b square plus 4 by b square equal to 1. Open the bracket. 9 by 4, 81 by 4 b square plus 4 by b square equal to 1. So 9 by 4 minus 1 equal to 81 by 4 b square minus 4 by b square. 9 by 4, 5 by 4. Here LCM 4b square. 81 minus 4 4 is 16. 4 4 cancel. 5 equal to 11 में 6 गए 5. 7 में 1 गए 6 upon b square. 13 जा तो b square equal to 13. Using this in second, so 1 by a square equal to 1 by 16, 1 by 9 by 13. 13 LCM, 13 minus 9 by 13, 1 by 16, 4 by 13, 4 4s are 1 by 52. So a square comes out to be 52. A square equal to beta 52 आ गया. B square comes out to be 13. Therefore required ellipse is x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. Or you can write by taking the LCM, x square plus 4y square equal to 52. That is the answer.